Considering that the ligand database is huge, how to search for a specific ligand? Fortunately, there are many ways to help you quickly find your ligand of interest. To get started, please choose the ionic metal center of your complex and its oxidation state. Now, please click on the button Select Ligands. A widget will be opened. In Complex Build, the ligands are grouped by their denticities, that is, by the number of donor groups that will coordinate to the central metal ion. By clicking on the button named Denticity, a drop-down list will appear with options that go from monodentate, 1 tooth, to dodecadentate, 12 teeth. As an example, let's assume you want phenanthroline, a neutral bidentate ligand. So, you must select bidentate on the denticity drop-down list. Complex Build now returns a panel listing all bidentate ligands available in its database. There are 4 different entries to help you reduce the number of possibilities and find your ligand more quickly. A short identifier, a molecular formula, a name, and a charge entry. Since phenanthroline is neutral, we can type 0 in the entry field named charge. Now, only neutral bidentate ligands are shown. We know that phenanthroline has 2 nitrogen atoms in its formula, so we type N2 in the entry field named molecular formula. Now, only neutral bidentate ligands with 2 nitrogen atoms will be shown. Please notice that whenever you enter part of the molecular formula of a ligand, you must enter the atomic symbol, always followed by the number of times the atom appears in the ligand. So, for phenanthroline, we could type either N2, or C12, or H8, or any combination of these. Now, the search has been reduced to the point where it becomes very easy to find phenanthroline. As you can see, it is very simple to find your ligand of interest in the database. By the way, in case you do not find your ligand, please watch the video entitled, How to Add a New Ligand. Do not worry, it is a very straightforward process. Have a nice day.